Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO at WorkMovr. I'd like to explain what we mean by a multi-channel, multi-tenant structure for WorkMovr. Okay, what we mean is that it's actually exactly the same as Caspio itself. In Caspio itself, you sign up for Caspio, and everyone who uses Caspio uses the same program set, but everyone has absolutely wonderfully segregated data. So your Caspio account doesn't bump into my Caspio account, for example. And we did the same thing with WorkMovr, because oftentimes you may have a situation where, you have multiple companies who do similar things, but they don't have, exactly the same ownership. So you want to keep them segregated, but you don't want to have a different Caspio account for each, because you want the same programs. And so it's very easy to set up a multi-channel or multi-tenant structure when you start designing the programs. And so that's what we did. Now, most of our clients only use their own single channel, but we have a couple who are using multi-channel. So the way we did it is that it's not that difficult. We just, every table here is prefixed with a channel keyword, okay? And all the drop-down boxes, again, are prefixed with a channel keyword. So some drop-downs like, inventory transactions where it triggers a program are a universal channel. But then, whether or not it's a transaction reason, for instance, scrapped or adjustment, that's particular to the business or to the channel. And so then the channels themselves, the behavior is handled by our channel constants panel. So what it means is that when you sign up for WorkMovr, you basically sign up and do everything on your own in your own channel. But then if something happens and you make an acquisition, you can just bring that acquisition in and set it, if it does not exactly the same as you can set it up as a separate channel, but still use a lot of the same data pages. So thanks very much then. Bye-bye.